Hello everyone, this is Zach from Metaverse Make, and today I'll be showing how to install the do-it-yourself Elite strap. Here's what you'll receive in the package. Notice the shape of it. This may not be comfortable for all heads because all heads are created different. So my method of making it more comfortable is to heat it with a hairdryer or use boiling water. The goal is to heat it until it is soft or malleable, until it's flexible, and place it on the back of your head and then shape it around your skull. This will make it much more comfortable and more personalized for you. So let's start with install. Excuse me, Baby Yoda. We'll move you right over here so you can watch. So, the correct orientation is to turn it this way, twist your headset towards you, and the goal is to, you see these notches here? There should be about 6-ish. You want to place your strap and lock inside these notches. So let's start by doing this. So let's fit it into the back of the strap. And what we'll do is put one side in, then put the right side in. You may have to flex the cord or the strap a little bit until it fits and slots in. So the top's in. Let's start with the right side. Flex the cord, push it up, then push it in the bottom. Let's go to the opposite side. Flex it up, push it in. Okay, let's verify everything is in and it is installed correctly. It looks correct to me. I believe that will end the video. If I can help you, or if you have any questions or concerns, you can contact me on Etsy or my email. My email is metaversemake@gmail.com. Thank you.